In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep projects private in Asana. Keeping your projects private is really important when you're dealing with sensitive information, early stage ideas, or anything you don't want everyone in your workspace to see. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in Asana and what to click, so that only the people you choose will have access to a project. First, start by logging into your Asana account and heading to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the sidebar that contains different sections, including one labeled Projects. This is where all of your existing projects are listed. Take a moment to scan through that list and find the specific project you want to keep private. Once you see it, click on the project name to open it. When the project opens, you'll be taken to its main view, where you see tasks, sections, and any details your team has added. Now, to change who can see this project, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. In that area, you should see a Share button. This button controls the project's visibility and who has access. Go ahead and click the Share button. A pop-up window will appear showing you the current sharing options for the project. In this pop-up, look for a section related to account or access settings. Just below that, you'll find a drop-down field that controls who can see the project. Click on that drop-down to open the list of visibility options. Here, Asana will show you several choices, such as making the project visible to your entire team, to your organization, or limiting it. From this list, select the option labeled Private to Members. Choosing Private to Members means that only the people who are explicitly added as members of this project will be able to view or work on it. Anyone who isn't a member won't see it in their project list and won't be able to open it. This is ideal for confidential work or for projects that are still in progress and not ready to be shared widely. After you select Private to Members, the settings should apply automatically. You can double check that the project is private by reopening the Share pop-up and confirming that the visibility drop-down still shows Private to Members. Once that's set, your project is now kept private within Asana.